I say,
What was that?
don't do as I do, do as I say.
And what do you say?
Be cool, stay in school. Listen to your daddy.
Welcome to the review board. Sit right down and just enjoy. Eat it on steak before you go out and buy. These are the guys. The review board. Welcome to the review board. Sit right down and just enjoy. Jake, Joe, Petey, Puff, and the boys are on the review board. Welcome to the review board.
Thank God for our steel supermodel can hook. Like we said, if it says steel on it, buy it. Sehr gut, yeah.
Perfect. Right where we wanted it.
When the Romans built those pyramids in the day, they did things easy, work smart, not stupid, right, Petey? Oh, you're Jake.
I'm Jake. Yep. It's a weekend. I'm here.
Dance like the Egyptians, baby.
All right, spin it right into place. Nice.
Oh, that was the easiest thing I've done all damn day. Now we get our little beautiful log dolly. I don't know how we ever lived 30 years in the bush without one of these or one of these.
All right. We love the gorilla cart.
Like Gorilla anything. Gorilla glue.
Just don't use it on your hair.
Why not? You
Go.
got extensions. You're allowed to glue your extensions. Okay.
Let me know when you want me to step out from behind the camera.
About there.
About there. How much did that log weigh that you just moved?
1,850 pounds easy.
1850. Do we need the ramp set up? All right. You guys are learning how to load a sawmill without any
Brains.
brains.
Because you didn't listen to your damn daddy.
You want the cant hook?
No, you do CrossFit. This is what I do. I don't do CrossFit. Give me the can hook. Huh, Cobb. When I was 65, I could have done this. Come on, my other.
Yep. There, you're straight.
Ramps.
You want to load up? That one's already up.
Yeah. A year, huh?
All right.
What a beautiful one. Bobcat? Oh, Lord. Say,
What was that?
don't do as I do, do as I say.
And what do you say?
Be cool, stay in school. Listen to your daddy.